recording? Yep, it's recording. Wait, yeah. Hi guys, we're back in another video. Today, you see Colin in the background. Guess what we're making? We're making a mac and cheese. This is a topical 4-pack. It's a 4-pack mac and cheese. See? But there's one that's already open. It's like a 3-pack. We're both going to show you how to make mac and cheese. I did this earlier, well not earlier, like a couple days ago. I tried to make this, but I ended up forgetting to make it. So we're gonna do a video because we don't have anything to do.
Yeah, but the last time I did it, I was
Colin hasn't been in video for like a year now. So first step, take this lid off. Okay, see? This is the... Colin, you need to do it. Colin, we need to show it in front of the camera. Okay? See that cheese pack? Take it out. Take it out. Okay, now let's put water. Let me put it where... No, Colin, wait. Okay. No, wait, Colin, wait. You need to show them the line. See that line right there? See that fill to line? That's where we're supposed to fill the water. Okay, come on, Colin. And we have to put on red. Fill up to the line. Now Colin's going to fill his up to his line. No, not the line. Not the line. Right, yeah. Okay, now. Let's read the directions on video. Okay, we added water. Oh, you had to add water. Okay, warning. Help. Okay, I'm gonna read you a warning. Okay, warning. Help prevent risk on fire. Add water to fill our mind. Do not leave microwave untended. Hey guys, we forgot to say water. It was smoky. Well, we can't have because it's going on. We're wasting water. Okay, microwave. Uncover it on high, 3.5. Do not drain. Cannot drain.
So I started.
And when it's done, we turn the cheese powder. I call it.
So you put on for 3 minutes or 30 minutes. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
I didn't know it's a camera thing. See, guys, it's very hard to tell. But the mac and cheese is in there. Now let's put it. So, 3, 0, because that's half. Now just wait.
So you put it for.
Then we didn't do all the steps yet.
Yep, because we didn't put this in or mix it.
Yeah, then that's breaking the rules. And when you make cereal, don't add the milk first. That's the #1 rule of cereal. Then you're gonna be a little devil. So I'm imagining the mac and cheese. See what it looks like. I wish I had a stand, like a camera stand, but this is not a camera. This is a phone camera.
Yeah, we always have to use a phone.
Yeah, because we're not old enough to buy a camera. Well, we are, but we don't know anywhere to get it except the Best Buy. So you can see the water it's making. So it's been a liquid water. Whoa. Now it's turned into a gas, a smoky gas.
It pretty much did.
Yeah, I learned it in
2 minutes.
Purcell,
It pretty much
middle school.
It's 2 minutes.
If I understand the homework, I'll do a homework video to teach you new stuff if I know it.
So like someone put something behind a camera.
If you don't see it making, I'm sorry, but don't have a stand. I don't like holding it.
Yeah,
My arm gets tired.
Yeah,
We're just shaking this. Sorry, I'm sorry, I'm not getting in the way. Yeah, they're bubbling. They turn into a gas. Come on here.
Yeah.
Are you crying now?
That's the only thing.
Hey guys, I ate an onion.
I already opened mine.
Don't open the mac and cheese packet. No, don't open it. Wait, did you even shake it?
No.
No, they don't.
It's been 3 minutes.
Don't see if there's any more directions on Colton's because I just put it in there.
Yep, but
Oh no, there's no directions, so it doesn't tell us how much minutes we could wait.
Did you just watch?
Okay, that's how it's made. And again, sorry if you didn't see what it looked like making. And I also skipped one direction. Just add a little more water. You could add that. Let's go set down. So now we need to wait for Colton to be done. Just over here. I mostly eat food with a fork. Yeah. Can't wait to eat it. And if there's a video, if somebody calls, then that's the video. Yeah, I'm watching the Loud House. Okay, now I'm just gonna stir it. Okay, just stirring it. If this video does get cut off, I'm just gonna get mad. And I'll tell you in the next video if I will upload it if nobody calls, or I'm just gonna delete it off the camera. So I'm just stirring it till it turns liquidy, not liquidy, like thick, not thin, like watery, like this bar of soap. Yeah, I'm right.
Pretty much about 2 minutes.
So I think that's enough. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below. And if you're the first one to comment on my next video, you're gonna get a shout out in the next video. So see you later. Bye. Come on, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Come on.